Today we take a look at this SQ-80 a telegraphic sample cutting machine. The quick clamp inside this machine is standard. The machine is equipped with LED lighting, so that we can clearly see the products being cut when cutting. The return water of the machine is equipped with a filtering device. We can equip a circulating water pump, so that the incoming and outgoing water can achieve an internal circulation. The operation part of the machine is simple and clear, starting and stopping the water pump and emergency stop button.